Welcome to Egg Free. I'm Jenny, and today we're making a delicious homemade pizza. This first video is all about the crust. It's a bangin' recipe similar to Maud's pizza dough. It's completely egg-free. Whether you're cooking for an egg allergy, egg intolerance, you're vegan, or you're just looking for a great alternative, this dough is crunchy, simple, and perfect for pizza night. All of my recipes have cards with them, so you can easily screenshot the card that you see on the screen. This is a 3-part card, and that way you can follow along easily when you try to cook this on your own. Or you can always watch the video and pause in between, whatever you like to do. But I thought that the cards might make it easier. Here's a picture of all the ingredients for our Maud pizza dough hack. Now, 1 cup of hot water that is 120 to 130 degrees is important. It activates the yeast, so it really does need to be in that temperature range. You're going to pour that hot water in, let it sit for 5 minutes until it's bubbly and yeast smelling. Go ahead and throw your salt and sugar in here too at this point. I forgot to take a picture of that, but make sure to get that salt and sugar in there. You're going to see that it's going to be bubbling and smelling yeasty. Next, you're going to add your King Arthur flour. I do have the sauce and the build and bake recipes recorded. I just need to edit them. Now, I am no Gordon Ramsay, that's for sure. I have no training, official training as a chef or anything. It's just little old me cooking in my kitchen. And these are egg-free recipes that I created for myself, because I can't have eggs and I wanted to share them with everybody, so anybody with an egg intolerance or egg allergy or vegan can enjoy these recipes. The King Arthur dough improver, you can use the 3 tablespoons, less of it or none of it. It makes the dough silkier and easier to roll out, and it does give you a crunchier crust, but feel free to modify it as you deem fit for your liking. The olive oil is necessity. It is going to help you form that dough ball. It's going to pull the dough away from the sides of the bowl and help you form and knead that dough. At this point, then, we are going to start working the dough and forming it into a ball. We are going to do this by kneading, punching, and pushing the dough down until a ball forms. If the dough is sticking to the sides of the bowl, you can dust more flour onto your dough ball to help you manipulate it and work with the dough more. Just remember, less flour is better. Don't dump a whole bunch in, because then you'll be trying to work that extra flour in or dumping it out. Do you know anybody who has an egg allergy or an egg intolerance or is a vegan? They'd probably really like to see this recipe. And I do have more recipes: brownies, cakes, cookies, French toast. So comment below and let me know what you'd like to see after the 3 pizza build videos. Here I am working it down. It is flaky, but you want it to be flaky. And there's the dough ball completed. Cover the bowl and place it in a warm spot in your kitchen for an hour and 20 minutes or until it doubles in size. Once that time's gone by, then you're going to knead it, punch it, and push it down again and form that dough ball again. If it's still sticky, you can also dust it and add extra flour at this point to help you form it into a ball. You're going to cover the bowl and place it in a warm spot for another 20 minutes. After that 20 minutes, the dough is ready and it's ready to be rolled out. Here's the recipe card again, 3-part recipe card in case you didn't get to screenshot it. Now's your opportunity. I am so glad that you guys were here with me today. I can't wait to read your comments. Hit that like and subscribe button. Share this with your friends who may not be able to have egg-free may not be able to have eggs. That way they can eat these wonderful treats that they may have not enjoyed in a long time. Super glad you were here with me. Hit that like and subscribe so I can add more videos and share these wonderful recipes with all of you. See you next time.